Jamaican artists yeah, who are gay so come out and say we are gay. And who are what do you call it, bowcat for come out and say we are kittens. Stop going like you are liar. Because you not real. You not going like you not use no curse that cuss next people. You go away from here, so yeah, man.
But no, it's an image that them have to maintain.
Image. You hear what you say?
Yeah,
but
image. No, but you're saying that you want
me no
the
walk
gay
with
people
image,
to come out.
All of them are gay. If you come out, come make people know that they are gay and stop.
But then no one would accept them. No one would accept them. No one
accept them. So all they accept the rest of people and we are foreign we come out and say
that's America. So, Ninjaman.
Them accept
Ninjaman, you would accept it.
Listen.
You would collaborate with him. You would collaborate with him if he came out and said I am a homosexual.
No, that's the point I say.
Who are talking about it?
A long time if you talk. Because now go on like say if an artist come out now and say him a gay, you not go accept him. You not liar. Them Jamaica come with